So I'm sure that John is sick of me already, but man, he's been really great to help haul vehicles for the Oregon Fire Service Museum. We get 2 of them today, which is going to be awesome. We have 2 Ford products. A Mercury Sable, which might be the coolest Mercury Sable I think maybe I've ever seen, with all the stripes on it. And then this Ford Expedition. Check engine light is flashing. Yeah, we got a pretty good misfire going on here. Check engine light is no longer flashing. Where are my hazards? Check engine light is flashing away. At least the car's not violently shaking like it was. So it's gonna need a little bit of work. All right, well, John made it. Hopefully that was undramatic, unlike mine that was, you know, really dramatic. But I made it. You know, we probably should have checked to see how well the Expedition ran versus the Sable.
Did we not do that?
No. We just said, it has a little miss, and I'm like, it's not gonna be that big of a deal.